Hey, what's up, shoppers? So I got an event coming up and I need to clean up these old dancing shoes. And so I got me some leather honey. So this is a leather cleaner as well as a leather conditioner. Now what's nice about the leather cleaner here is that it's not just for leather, it's for faux leather, vinyl, plastic, and rubber. And you just dab a little bit of it on a microfiber cloth. You're going to clean up your shoe entirely. You're going to let it dry, and then you are going to use the conditioner. So the conditioner is non-oily, water repellent, and non-toxic. So we're gonna go ahead and shine up one of these shoes, do a side-by-side comparison, and see how good this stuff is. So this is the before and after of just the cleaning itself. And as you can see, it picked up a ton of grossness off of these shoes. All right, so let's put a little bit of the conditioner on it and shine these bad boys up. All right, so as you can see, after I put the conditioner on there, it is a night and day difference. I mean, I love the fact that the conditioner didn't add an unnecessary shine to these because they're meant to have that flat matte color to them and that nice finish. But I can feel how soft and smooth this leather is compared to this old, crusty, shiny one. So I would actually say this thing worked fantastic. So all in all, the results showed themselves. This stuff works fantastic. I love my new leather polish and cleaner. You will too.